We started out in 2018 with the rough idea of making a dent in the world in a positive way with the amount of plastic that doesn't get recycled and ends up in landfills and ecosystems. We eventually found that a very effective way we could do that is to collect these plastics that are too small to be captured by the existing recycling infrastructure, which means we can exist outside of that system and we can make use of that plastic. We can turn it into something that will last decades and that is actually big enough to be recycled at the end of its useful life. We work directly with cannabis dispensaries where we have designed and installed these HIPAA-compliant receptacles where the cannabis patients can bring their plastics back in, deposit them in this receptacle safely, and then we pick it up, we bring that plastic back here, we put it through a cleaning process, we remove all those labels and recycle those safely, then we shred up those plastics into like a donut flake material, little flakes, and then we melt that down into a goo and inject that plastic down into a mold and create a new product with it. So we're creating something valuable and trying to create something that's economically and environmentally sustainable where there was waste. The funds from the AZRC award allowed us to get a truck that we can use to haul like our tables and our shredder to public events where we demonstrate our process and we sell products. And it also allowed us to get the parts and pieces to build this new injection machine. This new injector is going to allow us to produce our new product. So the AZRC grant has fueled really the last 6 months of what we've been able to do. And it's going to be a big part of our story if, our future is successful. Our goal over the next year to 2 years is to show how much plastic we can put through this process, show how much of a dent we can make for the ecology of the world, and really build a self-sustaining model.